Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Renel in Louisiana on this Ranger RCI 99N4. Renel, man, I got you ready to go. First of all, it's good talking to you earlier today. Good to hear from you, and I appreciate your patience on the build. We've done the tune alignment to this, electrolytic capacitor upgrade, and the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET upgrade in the radio section. So it'll wake up them 2879s just a little bit more and add a little bit of rugged durability to the radio. Okay, so let's just start with the RF power all the way down. 250 watt slug, 25 watts all the way down. That way if you decide to run an up Renel, you got full adjustability. 125, maybe 130 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Low, 240 bird, 500 watt slug in PEP. Hello. Yep, I need to put that 1000 watt slug in there with the ERF 2030 pluses, and the 99N4 it exceeds the 500 watt mark every time. 1000 watt slug PEP. Hello, 1-2 audio. It's just a hair over 600. And let me show you just in case you run an amp for a 25 watt carrier. Hello. Still over 600. We're gonna go to sideband. We'll do a little less on sideband. Hello. About 585. All right, Renel, it's ready to come to you, my friend. I know you said you run 4-gauge wire in the big truck with this. That's great. If you're watching this video, you're planning on getting one of these, make sure you're gonna run number 4-gauge wire or bigger. Okay, if you're gonna run on the base, 100 amp supply, regulated or bigger, and I have those on my side as well. All right, Renel, hope you enjoyed it from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump.